Hello Internet! I've watched a lot of how-to cappuccino videos. I've never made one myself, but on this video I will teach you for the first time I've ever done it how to make a cappuccino. Critical ingredients are an espresso pod, not really a critical ingredient. If you have an espresso machine you're much better off than me. Some dairy product, probably doesn't matter that much which you've got. I've got a heavy whipping cream. I've heard you're not actually supposed to do that, you're supposed to have a milk. And milk frother, which we've fortunately got. As one does with an espresso machine is, you lift the lever, you pop it in, you make sure you've got enough water back there, and you close it shut, press the button, place your mug underneath the spout. That way when you press the button, after it's heated up the water, the espresso comes out. Now, while that's warming up, we'll come over here to the frother. We'll shake our whipping cream. We'll pour the whipping cream into our frother. I'll do, I don't know, quarter cup. Place the top on, press the power button. I've also never operated this thing before. We'll make the espresso. Given our shot of espresso and given our frothed milk, we're looking pretty good. Make sure you swivel it around a little bit. I saw that on some YouTube videos. Pour our milk in. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, artsy fartsy. Oop. What does that look like to you guys? I can't really tell.